So, kakagaling lang namin from the Manila Ocean Park and ngayon, oh, may kalesa dito. Sabi nila, yung kalesa daw na to, 50 pesos lang. We, di ko alam kung ano yung 50 pesos dito, pero yun ang sinasabi nila, 50 pesos lang.
Count me in.
Picture ba yun? Or sasakay? We are in Rizal Park right now, coming from Manila Ocean Park. Magkatabi lang pala sila. And there's this, who is this? Sultan Kudarat. Oh, wow. There's a statue here of Sultan Kudarat dito sa Rizal Park. Take a look at the Rizal Park. Ayan. Sunset na pala, by the way, guys. That's why it's so beautiful here. Oh, wow! Ang ganda ng view! Dati tinitingnan ko lang to sa galing Rizal Park. Pero ngayon, wow! We got a chance to see this Carabao. This Carabao is katapat ng Rizal Park. Wow! Take a look at saan siya located here. Whoop! This is the Rizal Park and that Carabao is so beautiful. Let's see. Right now, we're here sa Rizal Park. Wow! We just came from Manila Ocean Park and take a look, guys, at the beauty of the Philippines. Wow, it is so beautiful kasi galing tayo sa... Yeah, this Rizal Park is so beautiful to see, especially now that it's sunset. And then marami din mga nagjo-jogging dito. Tada! Wow, so beautiful, guys. Somebody, paano nga ba tumawid dito sa Rizal Park? Oh, the soldier is helping us. Okay, so nandito na tayo, patawid na.
Wait for it.
To see the Rizal Park. Hello, hello. Wow. Thank you for helping us out get to the Rizal Park. Wow. Oh wow, look at that. They're helping us tawid. Thank you. The cars are stopping. Oh, there's some guards. Because they are helping us tawid. Oh, may mga changing of the guard and ceremony. Oh, every 4 p.m. April 28, pwede siya makita. Okay, in the Rizal.
Can you believe this is Rizal Park?
Pero may section dito sa Rizal Park na may parang waterfall, dandelion thing. And it is so good na nakakaano talaga siya, nakakatulong sa fresco and freshness. Wow, it's so good, huh? And then behind it is the Rizal Park. Dito sa Luneta Park, meron si Anvil Business Club na dinonate na section. And I think this is the one na dinonate nila. Yeah, meron Filipino-Chinese section dito sa Luneta Park. If you take a look at it, this is the one. Luneta Park in the Rizal Park section. Here. Now we know is donated by the Anvil. Okay. Hello! So, we are here in front of Rizal Park, Luneta Park right now. We just finished Manila Ocean Park. And I just wanted to show you these Ultra Boost shoes. So, talagang nagamit siya. Alam niyo, ang tagal-tagal ko ng plano na magkaroon ng Ultra Boost shoes. It took siguro a lot of years now because these Ultra Boost shoes cost parang 9,000 pesos. But nag-sale siya bigla. Naging 3,000 pesos na lang. So, I had to get them because bumam! They are so good. I'll link it down below kung saan nyo din mabibili itong mga classic shoes.